Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're distilling a book that's supposed to be all about balcony gardening.
All right, first, the usual disclaimer. This is for education, not professional advice.
Okay, so let's get into it. We're looking at Gardening for Small Spaces 2026.
The book's laid out pretty logically. You've got 10 chapters covering all the bases you'd expect.
And get this, every chapter starts with these key ideas. Looks pretty solid so far, right?
Then it gives you this practical framework. Define, plan, execute, improve. Simple.
But here's where things get weird. This exact same framework, it's used for every single chapter. Which makes you wonder, how can the advice for choosing soil be identical to fighting off pests? Well, you don't have to dig too deep for the answer. It's right there in the acknowledgments.
So you see the promise of a lush balcony guide? It doesn't quite match up with reality.
This book's real takeaway has absolutely nothing to do with gardening.
Instead, it leaves us with a much bigger question. How do we spot the difference in an age of AI?